Hello again, my dear little ones! Welcome to this brand new video. This time, I want to invite you and your family to play together. Today, we're going to be making a domino game. Do you know dominoes? It is the classic ones with the tiles that you have to put them together according to the amount of dots. But ours is going to be made with plastic caps. Want to learn how to make your own domino using only plastic caps? Let's see. Dominoes were invented in China many centuries ago. Dominoes, as we know it, began in Europe. Dominoes can be made from many different materials, even plastic caps like ours. Domino tiles are also known as bones. So, now, are you ready to make your own domino game with your family? If so, let's check on the materials. It's very simple, easy, and very fun to play with. Let's go! This is how our domino is going to look like. The possibilities of color combinations are very big, but still easy to play. For this very simple game, we are going to need as many plastic caps as you have. I used 50 of them with different colors. Also, we will need liquid silicone and Eva foam plus scissors. These last two items are optional. You can only use the colors of the caps if you want to. First of all, get all of the caps together. As I said before, for this domino game I used 50 caps, and so I made 20 pairs of tiles. Using liquid silicone, join them together by twos. Make sure you are using all of the available colors. And also, you have to make double ties. That is, put together two caps of the same color. If you want to, now get the Eva foam and the scissors and cut different shapes: hearts, circles, squares, or ovals. When you have them all, put them together on top of the caps. When you finish, it's time to play. Just like in a regular domino, you can play pairing the tiles by colors or shapes. And so, my dear people, this is how we finish our video today. I hope you had so much fun making this domino with your family and that you can play as many times as you want. Have fun, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!